middle voltage zinc oxide surge arresters, which we have been producing for many years. Our devices intend to protect middle voltage power lines up to 44 kilovolts against direct lightning strikes. We produce Class 1 surge arresters according to a standard which was valid up to 2014. From 2014 on, we have also been producing Class DH surge arresters, which have 120% greater energy absorption than Class 1 surge arresters. The main components of DH class surge arresters are its varistors, which we purchase at professional and verified producers. On a specialized testing machine, we test the residual voltage of each varistor. Based on the values of the residual voltage of each varistor, we robotically assemble the core with the help of a special algorithm. The combined residual voltage of each surge arrestor core is engraved with a laser on the bottom fitting. Electrical corrosion-resistant epoxy rods in the core of the surge arresters are tested for moisture penetration according to the specified dye penetration test. In case the dye penetrates the top layer of the samples in 15 minutes, we reject the whole shipment. The rest of the components are checked using the sample method with calibrated measuring tools. The cores of the DH class surge arresters are assembled according to the continuous operating voltage and creepage distance specified by the buyer. Using a crimping machine, we crimp the epoxy rods onto the top and bottom fitting and tighten the varistors and the housing to the prescribed force using a certified torque wrench. The screws used in these surge arresters are made of grade A4 stainless steel. After this stage, the core of the surge arrestor is ready for siliconizing. The core of the surge arrestor is directly encased in silicone, which is a great advantage of our Class 1 and Class DH surge arresters in comparison with our competition. After siliconizing, we do a visual check of the silicone coat and a mechanical test of silicone adhesion to the surge arrestor core. The final quality control involves measuring the partial discharge and reference voltage. This is done with the aid of a robot. After the measurements are complete, the surge arrestor is engraved along with the value of the residual voltage with a unique number, which represents the date on which the test was performed on and the serial number of the measurement. After testing the surge arrestor, it is packed in a standard packaging box to which we add the top and bottom stainless steel grade A2 or A4 fittings if needed. Before shipping, we weigh each box on an electrical scale to check the content one last time. At the request of our end users, we have developed and produced a new, innovative condition monitoring system for surge arresters, RAM1. It enables the user to remotely monitor the condition of the surge arrestor from 3 kilovolts on. RAM1 sends the following information to the user: resistive component of the leakage current according to the standard, ambient temperature, number of lightning strikes, location, and position of the installed RAM. We consider the fact that our surge arresters are present in all of the most demanding markets to be a very good indicator of the quality we have to offer.